Now I shall start exercise 12.1 question number 3. Now listen to the question at first. In figure, there is a figure you are looking. In figure depicts an archery target with 5 scoring riggans: gold, red, blue, black and white. Diameter of goal score is 21 centimeter and each band is 10.5 centimeter wide. Now find the area of the 5 scoring riggans. Look the figure. First is gold circle, second red, then blue, then black and then white. And you have to take out the areas of the goal riggans: red portion, blue portion, black portion and white portion. Now one by one I am going to explain. Number 1 of goal riggin. The goal riggin is the total circle. Okay. Of the goal riggin, diameter is 21 centimeter. So radius is 21 by 2 centimeter. And area of the goal circle is pi r square. So pi is 22 by 7 into r is 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. And then after calculation we will get 11 into 21 into 3 by 2, that is 693 by 2, and which will be after dividing 346.5 centimeter square answer. And then of the goal riggin, this the of the red riggin. Now width of the red riggin is 10.5 centimeter. Now a radius of the second circle, that is R2, equal to 10.5 plus 10.5, because each band is 10.5 wide, that is 21 centimeter, and radius of the first circle, that is R1, is 10.5 centimeter. Now area of the goal riggin is area of the second circle minus area of the first circle. So pi r2 square minus pi r1 square. You take common pi and in bracket r2 square minus r1 square. R2 is 21 and r1 is 10.5. So 22 by 7 into 21 square minus 10.5 square. Now I have applied the formula a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So split up 21 square minus 10.5 square as 21 plus 10.5 into 21 minus 10.5 centimeter square. So 22 by 7 into, after adding we will get 31.5 and after subtracting 10.5. 10.5 is divisible by 7 and it will be 1.5. So 22 into 31.5 into 1.5 centimeter square. And after multiplication 1039.5 centimeter square answer. Okay. Now of the third of blue riggin. You look here, this is the blue riggin. So 1, 2, 3. You to take out the area of the blue portion, you subtract the area of the third circle from the area of the third circle, the area of the second circle. So radius of the third circle R3 equal to 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 10.5. Look here, 10.5, this is 10.5, this is 10.5, this is 10.5. So 3 into 10.5, that is R3 equal to 31.5 centimeter. And radius of the second circle R2 equal to 21 centimeter. Because there are two bands 10.5 plus 10.5. So area of the blue riggin equal to area of the third circle minus area of the second circle. All the maths are of same type, only you look here. So pi r3 square minus pi r2 square. Pi is common, r3 square minus r2 square. 22 by 7 into 31.5 square minus 21 square. So same formula I have repeated, a plus b into a minus b. So this will be 52 point and this will be 10.5, which is divided by 7 and get 1.5. So 22 into 52.5 into 1.5, that is 1732.5 centimeter square. Okay. Next of the blue riggin. 1, 2, 3, 4. here. So radius of the fourth circle equal to R4, that is 31.5 is the radius of the third circle. So you add 10.5. Okay, it will be 42 centimeter. And radius of the third circle R3 equal to 31.5 centimeter. Same formula repeated. Area of the blue region equal to pi R4 square minus R3 square, that is 22 by 7 into 42 square minus 31.5 square. Same formula, a plus b into a minus b. So 42 plus 31.5 into 42 minus 31.5. After adding you will get 73.5 and minus, you have done minus, so 10.5, which is divisible by 7 and 1.5. So 22 into 73.5 into 1.5. After multiplication it is 2425.5 centimeter square. Next, one circle more of the 5 regions. Radius of the fifth circle equal to R5, that is 42 plus 10.5. 42 is the radius of fourth circle. So fourth circle plus 10.5, because each band is 10.5 centimeter wide. So it will be 52.5 centimeter. And radius of the fourth circle R4 equal to 42 centimeter. Now area of the white region equal to pi R5 square minus R4 square. So 22 by 7 into 52.5 square minus 42 square. So 22 by 7 into 52 plus 5.5 plus 42 and 52.5 minus 42, that is a plus b into a minus b. After adding it will get 94.5 into 10.5. Same thing, you divide 10.5 by 7, 1.5. So 22 into 94.5 into 1.5 centimeter square. That will be 3118.5 centimeter square. Okay.